Hi everyone, it is Gardener Julia here. We are back for another virtual garden lesson. I am here today at the Ventura Park Garden. It is nice and wintry in here now. Today we have a very interesting topic, but it is a secret again, so you have to guess what it is. Are you ready for my riddle? Here it is. I am something that is very old. I am older than your planet. I also cover most of it. I am in every cell of your body too. I am zipped up the trunks of trees and I rolled down the throats of dinosaurs. I also carry ships and seeds. And my special power is that the sun makes me invisible. What am I? If you guessed water, then you would be correct. Water is essential for all living things on our planet. Did you know that every human, animal, insect, bird needs water in order to survive? What do you think the world would look like if we didn't have any of this stuff on it? Do you think that that's a threat that we could run out of water? Well, where does water come from? Do we have a little water factory that is making water all the time? No. Water can never be created nor destroyed. When you think of 3 places that water lives on our planet, if you said oceans or rivers or lakes, underground, in the sky, in glaciers, and inside of our bodies, then you would be correct. Water is all around us, whether we know it or not. Now that we have a better idea of some different places that we can find water on our planet, I want us to keep thinking about the question, do you think it could be a threat that we could run out of the water necessary for us to live? I think the first question that we need to answer is, how much water do we have right now? I want us to imagine that this is all the water that we have on our planet. I have about 2 cups of water. I have dyed it blue so that you can see. Where do we find the majority of this water? Think about when you look at a globe. What is our globe covered in? It's covered by oceans. Can we drink ocean water? No, it's salty, so we can't drink that. Water in our oceans represents 97% of all of the water on our planet. So 97% of all the water we cannot drink. To visualize this, that is about 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna scoop out, and here it is. Here's all of the fresh water on our planet. Boop, and it goes into here. So we started out with all of this water, but we can't drink that. This is the only remaining fresh water that we have on our planet. Does that look like a whole lot? Not really. I'm gonna put it into this little smaller jar so it's easier to see. All of this water is left for us to drink on our planet, right? Not quite. This water in here represents the fresh water in places like rivers and lakes, and groundwater, the water that's underneath our feet. And it also represents glacier water. Is glacier water available for us to drink? No, glacier water is frozen. Of this remaining water, we can use about 1/3 of it. That's about 33% of this water is actually able for us to be used. That represents about 1 teaspoon now of this water is available for us to drink and use. So here it is. This is all of the water that we have available for us to drink, and not only drink, but use for things like gardening and farming and all of the other uses that we have for water. My final question about our drinking water is all of this water that we have left, is it all safe to drink? What are some things that can affect our drinking water? Oftentimes things like pollution can impact the water that we actually have to drink. That would mean that the remaining amount of water that we have left in here is actually not completely available for everybody on this planet to drink. Have you heard of any ways that water can become polluted? Sometimes when thinking about issues and causes that I care about, I can get a little bit stressed out. So I always try to make sure that I take a moment to meditate and calm my mind to help ease some of that worry. Let's try that right now. Close your eyes, listen to the sounds of the ocean, and take 3 deep breaths. Another important way that I help ease some of that worry is I try to take a little bit of action. Today, we are going to start as advocates for our water by simply taking a look at our water use. My task for you is to go throughout your day and monitor how much water you are using. One great way to help preserve and protect the water that we have left is by not using too much of it. We are going to try to figure out how much water we use on a daily basis by using our water diary. You can find that attached to this lesson. The hope is that once we start to get a better sense of actually how much water we're using, we can start using less and less of it. Thank you so much for joining me in the garden today. I will see you all next month.